Hello, namaste, vanakkam, namaskaram, adab. Welcome to my kitchen, Bachelor's Bossy Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare egg salan. మనం ఈరోజు egg salan తయారు చేయబోతున్నాము. దానికి సంబంధించిన పదార్థాలు చూద్దాం. Let's see what all ingredients we need. Boiled eggs, garam masala, mustard seeds, ఆవాలు, సాజీరా, menthi seeds, మెంతులు, fenugreek seeds, red chilli powder, turmeric, curry leaves, కరివేపాకు, red chillies, green chillies, corianders, chopped onions, cumin powder, జీలకర్ర పొడి, coriander powder, dhaniyala podi, curd, and this is a paste of peanuts, sesame seeds and coconut. ఈ పేస్ట్ ఎలా తయారు చేస్తామంటే పీనట్స్ మరియు నువ్వులు మరియు కొబ్బరితో చేసుకున్న పేస్ట్. ఇది 1:1:1 రేషియో తీసుకోవాలి. వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ ఇన్ 1:1:1 రేషియో. నౌ లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ ప్రిపేరింగ్. So we are preparing this egg salan in today a pressure cooker, because normally if you cook any salan it will take a lot of time to cook. So that's the reason I'm cooking in pressure cooker to cook it fast. So once I've already added oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding mustard seeds, red chilli, shaee Zeera, menthi seeds, menthulu, fenugreek, and chopped onions. Salt as per your required. Cook them until they are red brown in color. Not too much brown, slight brown. I can see now they are slightly brown in color. I'm adding cumin powder, coriander powder, red chilli and turmeric. Give it a nice mix. Keep it or curd. This yogurt or curd will give some sourness to the gravy or salan. Two minutes until the oil is oozing out from the sides. Now I'm gonna add this paste which we prepared earlier with the help of sesame seeds, peanuts and coconut. As soon as you add this paste, it will become quite thick, so add some water. Add some garam masala. Add some coriander, green chillies, let me cap it up. And cook for one whistle until one whistle comes up. My salan is prepared. Open it once the cooker is depressurized, or else it might be blast. You can see now it's cooked nicely. If you want, you can add a little bit of water. Now it's time to add our eggs. Add one by one. Once you're adding eggs, it's good enough to stop the stove. Just give it a nice mix once. And here you go, our egg salan is ready. Our egg salan is ready and it's plated. If you like my recipe, please subscribe it, like it, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for other more recipes. Thank you. Have a great day. Keep smiling. Happy weekend.